Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy Vbucks with Apple Pay. Now to do this, simply go to Google in your browser and search here G2A. And once you search it, simply open the first website that comes in front of you, or there might be other sponsored websites in your region, so make sure you open this website, G2A official website. Go to this website, it will take a few seconds to load. And on this section, what you're looking for, search here Vbucks. And once you search, you will see a list of multiple users or clients selling this fortnite 1000 Vbucks, 2800 Vbucks. Simply choose any of this and open this. It will take you to another tab. As you can see, I am on this page. So you see multiple options: credit card, PayPal, add to cart. Simply click on add to cart. So as you can see, your card, they are giving me 2. So enter your email, we need to send it to order. So on this section, simply enter your email address. Once you enter the email, simply click on continue and it will take you to another tab where you can do the payments and stuff. And on this section, you will see multiple options. As you can see, Google Pay, Bitcoin, Pesa, something like that, PayPal, Skrill, credit card, debit, G2A balance. And on the below option, in front of $22, you see the Apple Pay option. Simply click on this Apple Pay, and that is how you can buy Vbucks with Apple Pay. So that is the simple process.